Good morning and assalamu alaikum, my students, my fellows, and my viewers. Hope you fine and you will do better to better. Okay. So today our next lecture, Sheikh Sadi solving exercise question answer. So let's start with the question answer. Questions. So let's start. Question 1. What was the advice given by Nusheva to his people? Yes, the king advised to his people to avoid a little cruelty for a people or for his subject, and he asked them to justice and to do honest. What was remedy suggested by physician for disease of a king? The physician justice to the disease to the king could be cured by a means of a person having certain qualities. And the next, why did the boy look to the sky and smile? The boy sat and looked to the love of his parents to justice from the Qazi. And but his case both had agreed his murder. Therefore, he looked God to seek justice. And the next, what should be role of Qazi? The role of Qazi should be just and honest to doing a decision making. And the next, why did the king weep? The king weep because his speech of the people, he's impressed the speech of the innocent boy. So he realized his cruelty for a innocent boy, and the boy speech made the king realized his fault, and he burst into the tears his face. And the next question, how did the king recover? The king preferred the life of a innocent boy to his life, so Allah became happy to the sacrifice of a king. And he Allah took pity on him, and he accept his sacrifice, and finally the king recover his health, and Allah blessed him with health. And the next, write a note on a character of Nushirva. The king of Nushirva was famous in a justice and doing in a and honest. So he was very honest and a kind man. He knew how to teach in a justice or a honest to follow his people of a country. So he usually he asks his people to avoid even the deeds of cruelty. And what should be the role of king? The role of king should be wise and justice and honest his action. So he should be maintain law and order to the country. He should love his subject and work for the welfare for their public. And the next question, can the unjustice king flourish? Can an unjust king in a flourish? So next C, no. An unjust king cannot flourish. People, because people in the action of his, the people hate him. The people hate him in a cruel and dethrone him or kill him. What a moral lesson do you get from the second tale? We learn that should be just and honest, and we should avoid in a little deed of a cruelty. A little deed of cruelty can bring about big ruin. We should nip the evil of bud. And next, compare and contrast the three tales. So we the first story tell us we cannot realize the worth of safety unless we face to a unfortunate. So the other two story teach us the lesson of kindness and justice and honest. For next, describe an event in which the trouble of one person affect the others. So next, a man was caught stealing. A man was caught stealing and he was sent to the jail. And his family, his children, could not pay the school fees, and they had to leave the school, and so a man trouble ruined the whole families. Okay, students, thank you so much. So please subscribe, likes, and comments me for a suggestion or for your any problem. So thank you so much. Okay, see you next.